In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to a product in Bigcommerce. If you're looking to enhance your product listings and make them more engaging for your customers, you're in the right place. Follow along as we walk through the process step by step. To get started, first head over to Bigcommerce by opening up your preferred web browser and heading to the Bigcommerce website. You'll need to be logged into your account, so next go ahead and click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Now enter your email and password to access your account. Be sure to have your login credentials ready, and remember, if you've forgotten your password, you can easily reset it by following the prompts on the login page. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Bigcommerce homepage. From here, direct your attention to the navigation menu and click on Products. This will take you to a page displaying all of the products you currently have listed in your store. Browse through your product list until you find the specific product to which you want to add a video. Adjacent to your chosen product, click on the three dots icon to reveal more options and then click on Edit. Now that you have the product's editing page open, look for the Images and Videos section. Once located, click on it to open up a new set of options. You'll see a box labeled for image selection. However, don't worry, this is also where you'll be adding your video. Look for the option that says Add from URL. Clicking this will allow you to input the URL of the video you wish to display with your product. At this point, have the URL of your video ready. This could be a video hosted on a platform like YouTube or any other video hosting service that provides you a shareable link. Carefully paste that URL into the field provided. After pasting, it's always a good idea to do a quick preview. Not only does this confirm that the correct video will be shown on your product page, but it also ensures that everything appears as desired. Once you're satisfied with the video preview and assured that everything is in its right place, you'll want to save these changes. Look for the Save button within the product editing page. Make sure you save all your hard work to ensure the video is properly added to your product listing, and with that, your video should now be live and viewable by anyone visiting your product page. This small addition can greatly enhance the shopping experience, offering potential customers a richer insight into what your product is all about. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in elevating your Bigcommerce store. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.